Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the More Analytics Afternoon Energy Podcast for May 12th going into the 13th. Hope everybody had a good day trading today. I'm going to start off with the natural gas. Okay, I'm not going to go over the higher time frame stuff right here. The trade above 276.90, as it projected this upward 115 ticks plus. We went on to attain 176 ticks. The trade above 272.50 has brought in 220 ticks of strength. The trade above 276.40 brought in 181 ticks of strength, and then the trade above 282 brought in 125 ticks of continued strength. But we just failed below this formation right here, which now warrants a pressure. If we were to trade back above that line decently, that's going to warrant a decent strength. That'll come in at 284.70 minus 2 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Further break below this formation right here, which is going to come in at 280.30 minus 1 per hour starting at 6 o'clock. That'll warn of continued pressure. And the crude oil tomorrow has a good likelihood of seeing range expansion. A maintain gap lower tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above. I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff. I'm not going to keep saying that, but I'm not going to go over all the higher time frame stuff for either the crude, the Brent, the RBOB, the heat, or the gas oil. So just on a lower time frame basis, the trade above 85.67 warranted decent strength. We've seen $25.26 from that so far. A number of other trades in here, and then more recently, the trade above trade back above here, trade above 95.52 has brought in strength up to 102.72, as well as the trade above 98.39, which was the break above here. If we were to fail back down through this line decently, that's going to warrant decent pressure. That's going to come in at 95.25 minus 7 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. In the RBOB, or unleaded gasoline, tomorrow has a good likelihood of seeing range expansion. Also, a maintain gap lower tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above. I said the maintain gap higher yesterday left a minor bullish reversal. And from the 359.78 open, we've traded up to 371.58, a further decent break above 372.96, plus 11 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. will warn of continued strength. In the heating oil, the maintain gap lower tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above. The heat has been leading the upside over the past number of days. And the trade above 372.33 has brought in strength up to 417.45. And the trade above 388.09, I said projects this upward 10.5 cents minimum. This is going to be shaved to 40 cents plus maximum. And like I said, we've traded up to 417.45. We also broke above this formation, which also warrants a decent strength, decent failure back down below that formation, which is going to come in at 409.03 plus 11 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. That'll warrant decent pressure. In the Brent, tomorrow has a good likelihood of seeing range expansion. A maintain gap low in there tomorrow will leave a minor bearish reversal above. The trade above 1even.94 has brought in strength up to 108.45. The maintain gap higher also left a minor bullish reversal yesterday. And from the 104.15 open, traded up again to 104.85. And then I said the trade above 105.55 now warrants decent strength as well. That could bring in a run for the highs, although it's not necessarily a projection. The gas oil will maintain gap lower tomorrow. Will leave a minor bearish reversal above. We also left a minor bullish reversal below on the day. And the decent trade above this formation right here. Now warrants a decent strength. That came in at 1173.28. A further break above this formation above here, which comes in at 1241.12 plus 33 per hour starting at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That'll warrant of continued strength. If we fell back down through this formation decently, that's going to warrant decent pressure. That's going to come in at 1164. Minus 73 per hour starting at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And going into tomorrow, there is no cadence. But in general, the heat is leading the upside. The heat would be strong and the crude went out weak. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next podcast.